Amidst the peace and quiet and tranquility of an English woodland in what's fast becoming the middle of January already, there can't be much better a sight than this. Hazel catkins, almost glistening in the mid-morning sunshine. Absolutely beautiful, and a sign of fresh life and a new start as we head fast into the new year. I love these, and I've loved hazel catkins from when I was a child because they bring and evoke a range of very happy memories. Happy memories providing my grandma's, whether they wanted them or not, with bunches of daffodils out of the garden. And then I was requested to go out and look around the hedgerows and cut some hazel catkins. They were the perfect accompaniment, and still are, to anyone that likes a bunch of daffodils in the house. And who doesn't? We love to bring colour into the house at every available opportunity, at least we should do. And daffodils, bringing some cut flowers like daffodils or tulips into the house in spring, certainly cheers and warms the place up. But every time I see these delightful catkins like lamb's tails, it takes me back to when I was young, 20 years ago. But these are getting earlier and earlier, and I could quite easily have come out and found somewhere where these were flowering at Christmas time and filmed them then, because that's how early these are appearing. And even when they're just starting to grow, any time in December you can find them. But the actual flowering period is quite prolonged, and you'll find some hazel bushes that will stubbornly refuse to open up and expose and dangle their catkins to all and sundry until well into late February or March, while others will be completely over and done with by then. But they're certainly a lot earlier in opening in general now than what they were 40, 50 years ago. The real time when I was a lad, if you hadn't gathered. And these are the first real sign of spring to me. I know we're still in winter, but these are the first indications that winter isn't as dark as it's made out to be. And in fact, now as we approach the middle of January, there's a big difference to the lightning sky on an evening and in a morning. You have a look tonight. But what a beautiful way to see in the new year. One of the first of nature's flowers, at least one of the first of nature's native flowers in the UK. There's an abundance of plants now that will flower throughout the winter months, and they're all good potentially for those insects that come out early seeking nectar. But in the meantime, while we wait for the daffodils to poke through the ground, you've got time to go out and enjoy hazel catkins. They're beautiful little things. Rather like myself, really.